Is it the right time to buy or sell Bitfarms Ltd stock? In this video, we're delving deep into Bitfarms Ltd. Our original report was published on our website on Thursday, December 28, 2023. Today, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any critical updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 28, 2023, our system has identified Bitfarms Ltd as a promising investment opportunity with a score of 1.59, making it a buy candidate. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. If you had followed our analysis and invested in Bitfarms Ltd when we first recommended it 22 days ago, you would have witnessed an impressive gain of 147.76%. This means that on average, the stock has been generating a daily return of 6.72% since it was listed as a buy candidate. In the short term, the stock is in the upper part of a strong rising trend. This presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders as we can expect a reaction towards the lower part of the trend. If the price breaks above the top trend line at $3.54, it could indicate an even stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 156.62% change expected over the next 3 months. This means there is a possible return between 41.27% and 174%. For the 12-month trend, there is a projected 38% change over the next year. This suggests a potential return between -52.40% and 46.06%. In other words, the price could range from $1.58 to $4.85 after a year. Today, we have an update on Bitfarms Ltd. The stock price of Bitfarms Ltd experienced a decline of 5.41% on Thursday. On the last trading day, which was Thursday, December 28, 2023, the stock price of Bitfarms Ltd dropped from $3.51 to $3.32, marking a decrease of 5.41%. Throughout the day, the stock price fluctuated between a low of $3.27 and a high of $3.48, with a difference of 6.42%. Over the past 2 weeks, the stock price has been volatile, resulting in a gain of 12.54%. It's worth noting that the decrease in trading volume aligns with the decline in stock price, which can actually be seen as a positive sign. On the last trading day, the volume decreased by 19 million shares, and a total of 37 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to approximately $123.35 million. Looking at the performance over the past 52 weeks, the highest price recorded for the stock was $3.56, while the lowest price was $0.383. Currently, the stock price is 6.74% lower than the 52-week high, which translates to a difference of $0.240. Additionally, it is 66.8% lower than the all-time high, which occurred on December 28, 2020, when the price reached $10. Analyst ratings. In an update on Wednesday, November 29, 2023, Barclays upgraded BITF with a buy grade and changed its previous hold action. Analysts have given Bitfarms Ltd stock a general neutral rating. They rate the PE ratio as buy and the price to book as buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts give the stock a sell rating. Here are the key signals for Bitfarms Ltd stock. The stock of Bitfarms Ltd is showing positive buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable forecast. Additionally, there is a general buy signal when the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of price corrections to the downside, there is support at $3.06 and $1.98. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, sell signals may be issued. On the other hand, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. It is important to note that some negative signals have also been observed, which may impact the short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, December 27, 2023, resulting in a decline of -5.41% so far. Further decline is expected until a new bottom pivot is identified. The volume of trading also decreased along with the price in the last trading day, reducing the overall risk as volume tends to follow price movements. Here are some other signals that might catch your interest. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy from 46 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 7 days ago. The long-term moving average suggests a buy signal from 23 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 46 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average indicates a buy signal from 23 days ago. The long-term moving average also suggests a buy signal from 23 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 17 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Bitfarms Ltd. When it comes to support levels, we can see that the stock has some strong ones. Just below today's level, we have accumulated volume support at $2.95 and $2.89. Keep in mind that when a stock tests a support level, there is always a risk that it may break and fall to the next support level. In this case, if $2.95 is broken, the next support level will be at $2.89 and $2.59. Now, let's talk about risk. Bitfarms Ltd is considered to be a very high-risk stock due to its high volatility. The stock can experience significant price movements throughout the day. In fact, the Bollinger Band indicates a large prediction interval for this stock. To put things into perspective, let's look at the numbers. In the last day, the stock moved $0.210 between its high and low, which is equivalent to a 6.42% change. And if we consider the last week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 10.12%. Before we discuss potential trading levels for Bitfarms Ltd, let's begin by covering some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. If a company has a negative PE ratio, it means they have negative earnings or are losing money. Established companies can experience downturns due to various factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios could indicate insufficient profit and potential risks of bankruptcy. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on March 19, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $0.0300. These figures can significantly impact stock prices, so it's important to keep an eye on them. Today, we're going to dive into potential day trading levels for Bitfarms Ltd. If we observe an upward trend, the first resistance level for Bitfarms Ltd stands at $3.51. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be prudent to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be an interesting level to consider for swing trading opportunities. On the downside, Bitfarms Ltd encounters its first support level at $2.95. If this support level holds, it could potentially serve as a favorable entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound. We recommend setting the stop loss for this stock at $3.13, which is a decrease of 5.58%. This particular stock experiences significant daily movements, which in turn increases the level of risk involved. Additionally, there is a sell signal from a pivot top that was identified just 1 day ago. Is Bitfarms Ltd stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, we believe that Bitfarms Ltd stock presents a buying opportunity in the short term. We have upgraded our conclusion from a hold/accumulate to a buy candidate. Our systems have determined that the current price is undervalued, considering the volatility and movements observed in the last trading day. For trading on Friday, December 29th, we expect Bitfarms Ltd to open up at $3.36, with an increase of $0.0367. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. We highly recommend consulting with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. StockInvest.us serves as a source of information and analysis for investing, but it should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the provided information, you acknowledge that you are fully responsible for your own investment decisions and accept any associated risks. We'd love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Share your agreement or disagreement in the comments below. And don't forget to let us know your target for the stock. If you enjoy our content, remember to like and subscribe. Our team at StockInvest wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day.